Hey guys, Paul Pluta on the Paul Pluta channel. And today guys, doing some paid reviews. Paid reviews guys, paid reviews. Today's review is T05. And before I start, quick wristwatch check. I'm wearing the Zenith El Primero Chronomeister 1969 Open. This here is for Pierre. Dear Archie, I have 4 questions to ask you by email. I'm sending you $50 via PayPal. Thanks for the great YouTube videos. They are not only informative but also entertaining. I have an old Omega Seamaster bought when I was 20. I'm now 43. I bought it in for a service. They proposed to change the glass that has a few scratches. The watch is full of souvenirs and the scratches are part of what I could live with. This watch, I wear it almost every day. Should I take the opportunity to have a new glass, or should I leave the marks of wearness that is part of the history of the watch? I am looking for a new watch with GMT. I'm interested in a Rolex Explorer 2. Should I get the 40 or the 42? The Rolex Explorer 2 is 7,700 Swiss francs on the Rolex website. I guess it'll be on the price asked by the AD. When I look on the second-hand market, the prices are not much lower, taking shipping and custom taxes into account. Should I buy new? Could I wear this Rolex when traveling? I plan to go to Asia, US, perhaps Australia. I don't go to dodgy locations. Or should I get the Tudor Black Bay GMT? Again, this watch will replace my Omega as a daily wear. Regards, Pierre. Okay, Pierre, thank you so much for your 50 US smackaroonies. I do appreciate it. Very good question. So firstly, your Omega Seamaster, you didn't give me a model or a picture, but I assume it's a sapphire crystal version. Look, you're sending it off. You haven't mentioned, are you getting it serviced by Omega? But if I was getting it serviced by Omega and they've got genuine factory crystals to change it with, change the fucking crystal. Change it. Make it look as nice. There's nothing like, I know it's memories and scratches and nicks and fucks, this and that, but I got to be honest with you, it's nice to have it presented as best as possible. If you're going to bring this watch ready for retirement, instead of having it as a scruffy little fucker, have it nicely done. And I mean, look, scratch and nicks, they always come and they go there. Now I'm just going to get a scotch, fuckers. I'm feeling a bit ill, and I got to tell you, fuckaroonies, I think I might be taking a bit of scotch for medicinal purposes. This is I got this, there we go. I got that, actually I had to buy it myself. I don't have many fans buying scotches for me anymore. Bit of a cold, fuck that. Let's get a bit of scotch into your sunshine. So my view is, what would I do? It's got scratches. Look, if it's an acrylic crystal, like on the Omega Speedmaster Man on the Moon, the Halcyon glass, you can actually polish it out. You can polish it out if it's not too deep. However, if it's sapphire, they kind of, yeah, look, just replace the fucking thing. Just replace the fucking thing, because you can't just get it replaced later. You're going to all the trouble of a service. Get it done professionally, properly, and then you can put it into sort of semi-retire. I think get it like new. Okay, I'm not one of these people who it's got to look fucked. I personally just get it changed. Your next question, you're looking for a new GMT function watch. Good. Should I get the Rolex? I'm interested in the Explorer 2 Rolex. Now look, let's just back the truck up. Every man needs a Rolex. Every man needs a Rolex. Okay, that goes without saying. Don't get a Tudor when you really want a Rolex. That's just loser talk. That's loser talk. Every man needs a Rolex. You need a Rolex. Okay, there's many good Rolexes available there. But every man needs a Rolex. That's what they do, man. That's being a man. Being a man. I think the GMT Master 2 black, beautiful with the 24-hour hand in green. That's a beautiful watch. Explorer 2 is great. You've got to get in touch with some pre-owned dealers. Okay, if you're going to buy the 40mm, what's better, the 40 or the 42? It depends what size. If you're a real skinny dweeby guy, maybe the 40 is better. If you're a bit of a fatso like me, the 42 could be better. Either way, there is no bad Explorer 2. What would I buy myself? Well, see, for me, I've always loved the Polar 40. That was always my watch. When I was growing up, that's the one I wanted. So that's the one I have. Would I love to add a 42mm to my collection? You betcha. So I don't think there's any bad choice. If you're buying it new, go for the 42. The 42's got the improved clasp. There's not much price difference. Believe it or not, this is how strong the 40 is starting to go up in price. My own view is get the 42. I don't think you should buy these things, stockpile them as investments. I like to see watches you use them. You use them. Don't abuse, use them. Use them. So I would definitely say if I was looking for a newish watch, and the truth is you're Swiss, I think you're Swiss. The Swiss can't haggle. You guys are too friendly, okay? You never had that nastiness from in World War II. You didn't deal with the Nazis like the rest of Europe did, see? So you can't haggle. You got to haggle hard, man. Go to America. Buy it over. You got to be sneaky. Not fucking pay retail. See, Switzerland is one of the most expensive places in the world to buy watches. Now you can buy a Rolex at like an Explorer 2. That's not terminal, but the reality is, you want to haggle. See, but the Swiss don't haggle because they just can't. They just don't do that. Look, if it's not much difference, buy it new, sure. Polar or black, it does. I actually like the black, you know that in the Explorer 2. I got a friend of mine's got the black one, 42mm. I think it looks fucking amazing. It's a beautiful watch. Should you buy new? Well, it depends on the price. See, the problem is most Swiss can't haggle to save himself, right? If you can't haggle, just buy it new, sure. It doesn't really matter. It's not a big disaster. You plan on, could I wear this Rolex? Of course you can use that Rolex when traveling. Come on, man. Rolex that's what it's made for. It's made to be used. It's made to wear it and go places and travel. It's not made to be a show queen, a safe queen. You're supposed to wear and enjoy it. You can wear that watch anywhere. There's nothing wrong with that. That's what watches are made for wearing, man. They're made for wearing. They're not made for fucking safe queens. So, look, I like the Tudor Black Bay GMT, but I got to be honest with you, man. Every man needs a Rolex, okay? They need a Rolex. Get the fucking Rolex, okay? Rolex, it's a Rolex, man. Don't fucking listen to this loser talk. Oh, Tudor will be okay. That's bullshit. Get the fucking Rolex. Just, you're an alpha male, or a beta soy. That's what you got to ask yourself. Which one are you? Okay? If you're the type who's easily pushed around, get the Tudor. If you're a winner chicken dinner, get the fucking Rolex, man. Every man needs a Rolex. Rolex is going to have better retained value. It's just a cool thing. It's just fucking awe-inspiring. And the Explorers are kind of left of center. So, you know, they're not an in-your-face Rolex. The Tudor Pepsi, what do I think? I love the Tudor Pepsi. I think it's an amazing watch. But I'd rather get a fucking Rolex. Rolex is king. Okay? If you already had a Rolex, and then you're saying, should I buy a Tudor Black Bay? I'd say, sure, that's a great idea. But you haven't. You've got a soft watch already. The Omega is not as good as Rolex. Omega is sort of on the same par as Tudor, in my opinion. I get the fucking Rolex, man. It's once in a lifetime. Get the fucking Rolex. Just do it. get the fucking Rolex. Don't fuck around getting other shit. Get the fucking Rolex. So there you go, guys. That's a paid review. Guys, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Put some comments down below. Remember, like, subscribe, tell your fuckhead friends. The fuckhead friends who would encourage you to get a Tudor because they can't afford a Rolex. Those sort of fuckwits. Tell them about my channel. And put a few nasty comments. We all love the nasties. I've got fridge space available. Fridge space available for leasing. So please, guys. Please like, subscribe, tell your fuckhead friends, and don't forget, put some nasty comments and paid reviews at $50 US. This is what keeps me full-time on YouTube. I can't survive on Google Ads. Can't survive on that. I would have to promote shitters like Squally. I can't do that. Fuck no, that's dishonest. Okay, guys, until next time, onwards and upwards, fuckers.